Sometimes you make terrible decisions, but they have to be done. Okay, a little bit of a clip from this morning. In the greenhouse. Oh. So yeah, it's not so bad in here, but I'm doing a lot of work. I'm restructuring this so that it makes more sense. We're getting there. We've got stuff growing and going, and yeah, we'll see. So I tried to take this pallet collar off this bed, and instead it just moved the bed. Okay. That soil looks awesome, but this was so not the goal. This is very, very funny. Okay, mistakes were made. That is an asparagus crown that was in the bed that I just dismantled. That is the bed that I just dismantled that I relocated in here, and basically all the soil that was on the top is now on the bottom. Also, that was on the bottom is now on the top. This was originally the same as all my other beds, where it was like pine shavings and chicken filth, and it has broken down into this over the last 3 years, because I made that bed 3 years ago. I'll show you what happened to the pallet. But yeah, so that bucket fits in there. That's there. That'll be a thing. I still need to clear that out and fill it with chicken filth so that it becomes a hotbed and warms the greenhouse over winter. This is my plan. We'll see. Yeah. And then in the spring, I can plant in there, and it will hopefully get things an early start. I need to still go through all of that and throw away things and clean things. But yeah, we're getting closer to a functional greenhouse. It's getting closer. And then that's just a big block of ice that was in a bucket. So I'm just going to let that melt in here and water this bed that I'm going to plant out as soon as I figure out what I want to plant in there, because this is totally ready soil to grow things. And I put in the stakes so that tomatoes or squash or melons can grow up that in the spring. Same thing with that little thing over there. It has a friend over there, so I'm probably going to plant a melon or something in that corner and hope for the best. Yeah, there's like a plan. There's kind of a plan. We'll see. Yeah. I still haven't fully figured out what is going on here. It's not totally square, but I haven't filled it in yet. But I think that'll be good. It sticks out a little past the door opening, but I can also do what I did with that and pop it up on the cement. I may do that. It's just so that we get more clearance. I don't know. We'll see. That's future Lauren's problem. Not now Lauren's problem. But that's all the garbage. This was ready to die. So I needed to break these down because this is no longer, this pallet is completely rotten. So 3 years, completely rotten. You can step through it. It was time. Oh, hello. You want to see a centipede? I don't think you do, so I'm going to turn that off. It melted a little since this morning, but that's how thick that ice is. It's like a good 2 inches thick, maybe? That's a lot. Alright, so cauliflower, purple sprouting broccoli, spinach, chicory, and Paris Island cod lettuce, Calvin and Wonder peas, cherry bell radishes, purple top turnip / rutabaga, delicacy whites. I think those are purple top turnips. Delicacy white kohlrabi, purple and white stem bok choy, and chioggia and golden eye beets. Whew, I'm tired. I'm gonna plant them in here, just a little bit of each. I'm gonna try to do good spacing, but we'll see, because I've met me. I don't do good spacing. All right. Yeah, peas back there along the fence, and then a bunch of other stuff in here. TBD. Alright, after this, I think I'm done for today. But yeah, maybe we'll have food. Ha ha ha.